The Book of Ruth, a sacred journey. Moab, a land etched with hardship, where the sun bleeds the color from the very stones, a canvas of sorrow, painted with the dust of despair. Naomi weeps, her tears, a river flowing over the barren landscape of loss, her heart, a shattered vessel, spilling grief into the wind. "The Lord has turned against me," she cries. "Call me not Naomi, call me Mara, for the Almighty has dealt bitterly with me." Hand in hand they walk. Two souls bound by love, against the relentless tide of fate. Each step a testament to devotion, a pilgrimage of the heart. Ruth, a beacon of unwavering support. Her strength, a shield against Naomi's pain. Her love, a light in the encroaching darkness. "Where you go, I will go," Ruth vows. "Where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God, my God." Bethlehem, a city of bread, yet famine clings to their threadbare garments. The fields, golden with promise, offer only backbreaking labor. Ruth gleans. Her hands, raw and blistered, search for sustenance. Her spirit, unbowed, shines brighter than the noonday sun. Naomi watches. Her eyes, filled with worry, trace Ruth's every move, her heart heavy with the burden of their plight. "Let me go to the fields," Ruth pleads. "Let me glean among the ears of grain. Perhaps the Lord will show me favor." Ruth toils. Her brow glistens with sweat, her back aches with fatigue. Yet she perseveres, driven by love and necessity. Boaz observes. A man of wealth and integrity, his gaze falls upon the Moabitess. He sees not a stranger, but a woman of virtue. A divine hand guides his eyes. A whisper of destiny stirs in his soul. He recognizes the spark of grace in her humble labor. "Let her glean among the sheaves," Boaz commands. "Do not rebuke her, and let fall out some handfuls on purpose for her. Leave them, that she may glean them, and do not rebuke her." Night descends. The threshing floor, bathed in the flickering glow of torches. A stage for courage, a crucible for faith. Ruth approaches. Her heart, a drum against her ribs, echoes with hope and trepidation. Her steps, guided by Naomi's wisdom and her own unwavering trust. A sacred dance of destiny unfolds. A tapestry woven with courage, humility, and the promise of redemption. The air crackles with unspoken prayers. "Spread your cloak over me," Ruth implores, "for you are a redeemer. Shelter me from the storm, protect me with your kindness." "Blessed are you by the Lord," Boaz responds. "You are a woman of noble character. Your kindness is greater than before, in that you did not go after young men, whether poor or rich." Sunlight streams. A warm embrace fills the room. A new life cradled in loving arms, a promise whispered on the wind. Ruth cradles Obed, her son, a symbol of hope, a testament to God's unwavering love. Her heart overflows with gratitude. Naomi rejoices. Her face, etched with years of sorrow, now radiates pure, unadulterated joy. Her soul, renewed by the miracle before her. "Blessed be the Lord," Naomi proclaims, "who has not left you this day without a Redeemer. May his name be renowned in Israel." Golden fields stretch, a panorama of abundance, a testament to God's provision. The land sings with the promise of a brighter future. The music fades, a gentle echo of hope, a lingering sense of peace. The story of Ruth, a timeless melody of love and redemption. The story of Ruth is a testament to the enduring power of love, loyalty, and faith. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can blossom. The Gleaning, a sacred journey, a testament to the strength of the human spirit, forever etched in the annals of time, a beacon of light for generations to come.